Your home is one of the most important investments you'll make, and ensuring its security is a top priority for every homeowner in Crestview, Florida. Whether you're concerned about break-ins, storm damage, or protecting your loved ones, investing in the right window and door solutions can make a world of difference. Crestview window and door solutions are designed not only to enhance the aesthetics of your home but also to improve its overall safety and security. Here's how upgrading your windows and doors can protect your home and give you peace of mind. Stronger entry points for improved protection. The doors and windows of your home are its main points of entry, and if they are outdated or poorly installed, they can become weak points that burglars can exploit. Old doors may have flimsy locks, broken seals, or warped frames that make them easier to force open. Similarly, outdated windows with weak glass or deteriorated frames can be easy to break into, making your home vulnerable. Crestview window and door solutions offer a range of products designed with security in mind. High-quality, solid doors made from materials like steel or fiberglass provide excellent protection against forced entry. For windows, reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and high-quality locks ensure that intruders can't easily break in. Whether you're replacing your front door, patio door, or windows, Crestview window and door solutions provide stronger, more durable entry points that make it much more difficult for criminals to gain access to your home. Enhanced locking systems for extra security. One of the most important security features of both windows and doors is the locking mechanism. Even the strongest window or door is only as secure as its lock. Older windows and doors may have outdated or faulty locks that can easily be tampered with. With Crestview window and door solutions, you can install modern locking systems that provide superior protection. Multi-point locking systems, deadbolts, and keyless entry options can be added to doors to increase their security. For windows, multi-locking mechanisms or sliding bolts can prevent windows from being pried open. Many of these locking systems are designed to be tamper-resistant, making it much harder for intruders to bypass. By upgrading to these advanced locking systems, you add an extra layer of protection for your home and family. Impact-resistant glass for protection against break-ins and storms. Living in Crestview means dealing with unpredictable weather, including storms and hurricanes. Traditional glass windows may shatter easily under high winds or flying debris, not only creating a safety hazard but also making it easier for intruders to break into your home. Impact-resistant windows, however, are designed to withstand both high winds and forced entry attempts. Crestview window solutions include a variety of impact-resistant glass options that can protect your home during severe weather conditions and prevent burglaries. These windows are designed to stay intact even when struck by debris, keeping your home secure during storms. Moreover, the strong glass used in impact-resistant windows is harder to break through, making it a great option for enhancing your home's security. Better insulation for privacy and security. When choosing window and door solutions, it's also essential to consider insulation. Not only does it help regulate your home's temperature, but it can also provide better privacy and security. Homes with poorly insulated windows and doors can be vulnerable to prying eyes and unwanted attention. Energy-efficient windows and doors with advanced insulation properties often come with tinted or frosted glass options that reduce visibility from the outside. This adds an element of privacy, making it more difficult for potential burglars to see inside your home. By upgrading to energy-efficient, insulated windows and doors, you can ensure that your home remains private and secure while also improving energy savings. Added security with sliding and patio doors. Patio and sliding glass doors can be vulnerable to break-ins if they aren't equipped with the proper security features. Thinner glass and weak locking mechanisms make these doors an easy target for criminals. Crestview Window and Door Solutions offer patio doors with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and tempered glass that provide greater security. Additionally, installing security bars, motion detectors, or a security camera near sliding or patio doors can further enhance your home's safety. These added measures act as deterrents to potential intruders, ensuring that your doors remain a secure barrier against unauthorized access. Noise reduction for peace of mind. While security is a primary concern, noise can also be an issue, especially if you live near a busy street or in a high-traffic area. Unwanted noise can cause stress and disrupt your peace at home. Crestview Window and Door Solutions not only offer enhanced security but also provide noise reduction benefits. Soundproof windows and doors are designed with thicker, multi-layered glass and insulating frames that reduce the amount of external noise entering your home. By improving the acoustics of your home, these windows and doors create a more serene living environment, allowing you to enjoy your home in peace, whether you're relaxing or sleeping. Boosting home value and attractiveness. Finally, upgrading your windows and doors doesn't just enhance security, it can also increase the value and attractiveness of your home. Potential buyers are more likely to be attracted to a home that features modern, secure, and energy-efficient windows and doors. This is especially important if you plan to sell your home in the future, as these upgrades can boost curb appeal and make your property more appealing in a competitive real estate market. With Crestview Window and Door Solutions, you not only improve your home's security but also enhance its overall appearance and marketability. Upgrading to stylish, high-performance windows and doors is an investment that pays off in both functionality and value. Conclusion. Crestview Window and Door Solutions offer a comprehensive way to improve your home's security, energy efficiency, and overall appeal. By installing high-quality, secure windows and doors with modern locking systems, impact-resistant glass, and energy-efficient features, you can protect your home from intruders and harsh weather while also enhancing its curb appeal. Whether you're looking to make your home more secure for your family or improve its value, investing in window and door solutions in Crestview is a smart choice that provides long-term benefits.